Hello, B2B businesses. Thinking about using new tools to boost your sales? Ever wanted to utilize marketing tools that big industry players use? Or perhaps you're considering integrating advanced AI into your sales process. If any of that resonated, stick around. This quick dive by GrowSpire agency has some insider insights just for you. We're about to unpack some trade secrets, delve into the AI-driven transformation of marketing, and give you a front row seat to automation done right. First, it's crucial for your organization to maintain continuous outreach, ensuring that your marketing department consistently facilitates sales conversations. While many companies conduct outreach sporadically, and some agencies, including ours, pause outreach during project execution and resume afterward, here's a pro tip: never stop your outreach. For those looking to supercharge their B2B marketing, we've got the perfect recommendation: Ample Market. Now, while the market's flooded with tools, we've got two solid reasons for our choice. Your profiles remain safe, no bans. AI-driven modules truly elevate your marketing game. Ample Market covers several outreach channels: LinkedIn, email, cold calls, and voicemail. And they keep adding new things. Here are some cool things it can do. Purchasing intent signals: get hyper-specific, not just which company, but which individual is eyeing your competitors. Competitive intelligence module: understand who's vibing with your competitors through their social interactions. Email response automation: let AI sort out those positive and negative replies, and even send automated responses. Generative AI for cold emails: tailor your message based on contact history, no guesswork. Email warming up module: prep your email for the cold outreach marathon, ensuring your messages hit the mark. Convinced yet? As an authorized partner of Ample Market, GrowSpire Agency has a sweet bonus: get 14 months for the price of 12. Additionally, we provide our complimentary implementation consultancy, leveraging a decade of our B2B marketing expertise in over 10 countries. Ready to revolutionize your outreach? Shoot us a message with your goals for a non-commitment slow advisory chat. info@growspire.agency.